Hi, this is a demo for thinkdatabackup.com where you can back up your current emails from different solution providers for Google Workspace or Microsoft 365, or in fact, any email. If you want to back it up in the cloud, you have to just log on to thinkdatabackup.com. Once you have subscribed to the service for the number of email accounts that you need, we have pricing and plans, and you can select how many seats you need to back up. We will set up one super admin account for you on your domain where you will be able to add users from your domain to be backed up, right? So we will just log into that super admin account right now. Once your account has been set up and you have your username and password for Think Data Backup from the Think Technology technical support team, you log on to thinkdatabackup.com and click on client login. And as you can see, we have a demo account right now, so this will be an account which we will be setting up for you, and you will sign in. Once you're signed in to the Think Data Backup dashboard, you will see, for example, you bought 10 seats from us. This could be 100, 500, whatever number of seats that you need. And now I want to add the backup, right? So it's very simple. As mentioned earlier by our teams, we can back up email, drives, contacts. So there's a lot of data that can be backed up from your. Let's do this demo for Google Workspace right now. However, it also works with Microsoft 365. So this is how we'll add the backup. You just click on the add backup. Now, like I said, there are different options. If you're a Google Workspace customer, all we will do is go with this one, not with this one, because we want not just email, we want even drive data to be backed up, right? So we will click on sign in with Google Workspace. Now, once we have this, only for the first time, we will need the super admin on Google Workspace to authenticate the integration. This is a one-time activity, so we will need to do this. So I'm going to do that right away. So I'm going to click on sign in with Google, and it basically goes to the authentication. So where I will use my super admin account to log in. It's not this one. Here you will enter the super admin account on your Google Workspace admin console, right? So you add the user here, you move on, you enter the password, you move on, and one more. Okay, we just entered the password. Let's see. Well, so yes, this has gone in, as you can see, and the installation is complete. And now you will be redirected to your dashboard, where it is going to retrieve all the email IDs from your Google Workspace admin console, and then you can actually select which user you want to back up, or which users you want to back up onto Think Data Backup. So we have our demo super admin account which we logged in. This will be your users. You have all of them here, and then we can select the ones that we want to start backing up on thinkdatabackup.com. For this particular demo, we have created one which is this one, TDB customer demo. We select it, and that's it. It's very simple. We keep auto discover off. If you keep auto discover on, automatically it will start backing up all the email IDs. We don't want to do that. We want to right now back up just one account in this demo. So we click on that and we say add to backup. Are you sure you want to back up? Yes. And you can then go into the dashboard, and you will see that the backup has started for this particular user. It may take some time. It depends on the volume of data in your particular account, and this is done as a cron job. So yes, so as this backup is happening, this will show as completed for right now. The rest. So as you can see on the dashboard now, the email is backed up. We have some test emails there, and you can always restore the full mailbox, or you could download the emails as an EML or a PST file. You can migrate and all kinds of stuff. So as you can see, we also have the mailbox open here. There are some. This is the email that we just the Google Workspace email that we just backed up on Think Data Backup. You can see that the emails are here, and then when you go to the dashboard, you click on it, and you can see all the emails that were there are also here, and you can also see that the email. So the user can obviously just log into Think Data Backup, put in his he just logs in via his Google account very simply, and he can in fact view the emails here also. And we have this email test email with an attachment, so there are also attachments that are actually getting backed up on thinkdatabackup.com. And so now once your emails are all backed up, like I said, it may take some time depending on the volume of data. Let's say we go back to our actual Google Workspace mailbox and say, all right, now I want to empty this space out because I've reached the storage quota. I can go ahead and delete all of them, and you'll see on the Think Data Backup dashboard that the emails will always be there. They're not going to go from here, and you can keep backing up more data onto Think Data Backup from here, right? Now let's say I want to restore my email. Now, there may be scenarios where I want to restore specific email. If you want to restore the full account, you can actually go into the dashboard and restore the full account, the demo account that we just created. Or if you want individual emails to be restored, you can always go in and say, all right, let's pick this, let's pick some of these three emails, and we click on restore now. It asks you where you want to restore it. What we normally do is we put it back in the inbox. That's where you want it. So you start restore. We've selected three messages, and it can again restoration. Again, this is a cron job, so it can take some time to restore, depending on again the volume of email and also the server load. This at the time it was instant at this point of time. You can see the mails have actually been restored back from Think Data Backup into your Google Workspace account, right? So that's how you basically keep your storage quota under limit. You can keep your email quota under limit, and keep backing them up on thinkdatabackup.com. I also wanted to show you, for example, when you go onto the your Google Workspace account. Let's say you have some Drive data as well. We created some couple of folders here. You can see data and my pics. This has also been backed up on your Think Data Backup dashboard. If you click on Google Drive, as you can see, the data has been backed up, and you can go ahead and actually, let's say I want to delete this full folder, and you can save storage space here. You can just delete the whole folder from here, and it will still be available in Think Data Backup for you to access, and you can access it here. You can click on it. Can you send emails from Think Data Backup? No, this is not an email client. It's only a backup client. It's backing up, restoring. If you have to send and receive email, that will happen only from your Google Workspace account. So as you can see, this is deleted from here, but it's still here. When you go to your Google Drive, you'll see that it's still there. So well, that was the demo for you. You can go ahead and subscribe to number of accounts. There's no limit on the number of accounts that you can buy from us, depending on your need. Do get in touch with us if you have any more queries. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.